Greetings, everyone. This is Tony Holowitz, and I had a client of mine ask a question about finding information that's in a field, but they're not exactly sure where it's located. So what I want to illustrate to you is this is the Act demo database, and this is the primary or the my record in the Act database, Chris Huffman. So in this demo database, I want you to observe that this field, user 6, has nothing in it whatsoever. In this database, which has about 200 contacts, I'm going to right click. I'm going to go look up user 6. And I'm going to say, hey, in user 6, I want to find all the contacts where there is a bit of information in this field. In other words, find all the contacts where this field is not blank because it contains data. And I'm going to click OK. And you'll see there's no contacts in here with data in it. The reason I showed you that, I just wanted to confirm that all these user 6 fields were blank in the entire database. And the question my client had was, how do you find information where you're not sure where it is? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in the word zebra. Don't ask me why I chose that word. But I'm going to type the word zebra in user 6, and keep in mind, my client doesn't know where the information is. It could be in user 2, user 5, or some other field in Act. It could be anywhere. So how do you find all the contacts or a contact that has the word zebra in it? I'm going to come up here and go look up. I'm going to go all contacts just to sort of navigate away from this contact a little bit. I'm just going to click on any random contact. This is the list view. I'm going to go back to the detail view. Okay, so now that we're in here, what I want to illustrate is this. I'm going to come up here to the right-hand side in the universal search box. And I'm going to type in the word zebra. And at this point, I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. And I'm going to start the search. And there it is right there. Now I want to show you one thing. Over here on the right-hand side, I have contacts checked off. If that's unchecked, I'm going to click go here to see if I can find the information. There's times where it might not find it until you click on contacts right here. You can choose groups, companies, opportunities, all areas of Act. So if you really want to find that word zebra, what you would do is go up in the universal search, type in what you're looking for, and it's almost like Google for Act. It's almost like a deep search for Act. I'm going to click on Chris Huffman. We're going to go to Chris Huffman, and there in user 6 we see zebra. Just to illustrate this again, let me go ahead and put zebra in another contact. I'm just going to type zebra in here one more time. I'm going to come up here. I'm going to type in zebra. Zebra. And I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. Now, when it didn't come up this time, that second person, I'm going to uncheck this. I'm going to click go. Still just Mr. Huffman is there. Then I'm going to click on contacts again. I went right to that contact. And sometimes Act has to index this information, so there can be a slight delay when you do this. This time I'm going to click on contacts. I'm going to click on go. And there is the one for Sarah. So it did take a couple seconds for it to find it. And sometimes you have to wait. Sometimes you have to click in contacts just to pull it up in contact info. And then once you do that, you'll be good to go. Okay, my friends, I just want to show you this quick tutorial to teach you how to do that. Be well, my friends. Bye now.